Hey everyone, this is the Traveling Tacos. Today, John and I are out at Kebler Pass here in Colorado. This is the pass that connects Crested Butte and Gunnison to Somerset, or essentially the Aspen area. We're out here today to do some fall leaf peeping because this is debated to be the oldest and largest aspen grove in the entire United States. And here in Colorado, these aspen trees are where we get all of our changing leaves in the fall. So we're gonna go out today, do some hiking, and fly our Autel Evo Drone. Today is October 16th, and this is the absolute prime day of the leaves here at Kebler Pass. The first 2 weeks of October are usually the peak, and here this year they're a little bit later than normal, and they're just absolutely beautiful. I just cannot get over it. I love to come here every year and see how different things are. This year they are spectacular. I'll say this on record, leaf peeping season is my favorite peeping season here in Colorado. Better than the wildflowers, I'll admit it, and I love the wildflowers. This right here, this place, Kebler Pass, is by far the best place to leaf peep in Colorado. Hands down, no doubt about it. This is it. This is debated to be the largest and oldest aspen grove in the entire United States. Craziest thing about aspen trees is they're one organism. So all of these trees share one root system, making it one of the largest living organisms in the world. This is unbelievable.
I